Hi there, my name is CJ and I'm from Canada, and I've been using OmniShaver for about a year now. This thing is amazing and I am still using it and going strong. Thank you again, John.
Hi guys, this is Daniel here in the UK. I've been using the OmniShaver for over 11 months now. Still sharp as it was almost the first day. And I use it every other day or every 2 days. Great product.
Hi everyone, my name is Andre. I am from Norway. I've been using the OmniShaver for the last 9 months. It managed to stay sharp all this time. I use it every day and it's still the most amazing shaver I ever used. Thank you, John.
Hello, my name is Murray, and I live in Northern California. I've been using the same OmniShaver now for about 6 or 7 months. I shave about 3 or 4 times a week. And this morning I took a shave with the same OmniShaver that I've been using all along, and it gave me another close, comfortable shave. I can even shave in the shower without using a mirror. It's that safe and that easy to use. Thank you, John, for coming up with this very clever invention. I don't think that I would ever use anything else on my head.
My name is Eric. I've been using the OmniShaver for about 7 months and it still works great.
Hey, I'm Joe from Oregon. I've been using my OmniShaver for about 7 months. Still going strong, sharp as a tack. Shave every few days. Matter of fact, I shaved today with it. Thanks a lot, John.
Hey, my name is Mo Jamail from Texas. You may have seen my video for fastest head shave ever at 32 seconds with the OmniShaver. I let my hair grow out, but I've still been using it for arms and legs and everything. I've been rocking it for 6 months and it's still sharp. Thanks, OmniShaver.
Hey guys, this is Justin from California. I've been using this revolutionary new invention called OmniShaver for about 6 months now, and it's still sharp. In fact, I just used it today. Absolute life changer. Within 2 minutes, you have a clean, smooth, nick-free head. Try it out today.
Hey, this is Olin Harris in Atlanta, Georgia. OmniShaver. I received my product on March 22nd, and today is August 10th. As you can see, just got out the shower shaving, so March 22nd, August 10th, still going strong, still a clean shave, and product still holding up tight. Thanks for the product.
Hi, I'm Mike from Maryland, and I've been using OmniShaver for about 4 to 5 months now. Still super sharp as the first day I received it. Love it, and I'll never use another razor again.
Hi, I'm Mike. I'm from Texas, and I've been using the OmniShaver for 5 months, and it's still sharp.
Hello, my name is Marco. I'm from Germany, and I've been using the OmniShaver for about 5 months, 2 to 3 times a week. And it's really a great product. It's still sharp, unbelievable. Let's have a look. So, thanks again, John. Great invention. I hope you have a lot of success. Bye bye.
Hello, OmniShaver and John. Just making a update video. It's been about 5 months now. My name is Kevin. I'm from Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and OmniShaver is still sharp. Cuts my hair in about 30 seconds to a minute. Love it. Great product. Highly recommend it for people who want to shave their head. It's an awesome product. Can't wait to see what else comes out. Thanks, guys.
How's it, G? 5 months, still stay sharp. Good stuff, brother John. Appreciate it. Can't wait till the good one come out.
I've had my OmniShaver for 4 months now and has shown no signs of slowing down at all.
Hi, I'm Phil from England. I use the OmniShaver for 4 months, using it 4 times a week. It's brilliant. Thank you.
Hey y'all, listen, I've been using this OmniShaver for over 4 months. It lasts. Trust me, this is the real deal. Once you get this, you will never go back. Don't worry about how long it lasts. You won't be disappointed. Get your order in now. Easy, smooth, perfect. The only shaver you ever need. Peace.